Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling Bluetooth and granting the app location and Bluetooth permissions so pairing works reliably. Once done, confirm the remote has battery and is within about 10 meters to avoid dropouts. Tap the app Start or Pair button to begin scanning. You see available devices populate a list. If multiple entries appear, choose the one labeled for your remote model. Keep your phone steady and close to the remote while the app negotiates a secure connection. You'll accept the system pairing prompts next. Sometimes a PIN appears on screen, enter it or confirm the numeric match. Once paired, the app will show a configuration screen where you can map buttons, tweak sensitivity, and assign shortcuts. Make changes gradually so you can test each one. Once you've set basic mappings, run a quick test of navigation and common commands to verify responsiveness. If behavior is off, reduce sensitivity or reassign conflicting shortcuts before moving on to advanced gestures. You finish by saving the profile and enabling auto reconnect so the remote reconnects automatically next time. Make sure background apps that use Bluetooth are closed to avoid interference, and check the app or remote firmware for updates to resolve bugs. If pairing fails, restart Bluetooth on your phone, toggle airplane mode, then repair. If that doesn't help, reset the remote to factory defaults and try again. One key troubleshooting tip: firmware mismatches often cause odd behavior, so update both app and remote firmware first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.